I'm not rare. Just pixels over meh. Cry. I only have forest boots, black furry arm cuffs, green dual double wings, wind up key, blackout spike, and every color raccoon tail and rare dragon wings. Ahem, I'm not rare. Cry. Dabs for no reason. Hi, I'm a fan. Like an actual fan that blows out air. I would subscribe, but right now you have 666 and I don't want to be the one to mess that up. Traded away my boxes. Sorry. I want that turkey to be my friend. I forgot Fancy Claw was still relevant. Ow. If I were you, I wouldn't be talking. Ow. Yeah, same. OMG, I cannot understand a thing. OMG, I cannot understand a thing. I'm gonna go die in a corner now. It fet zibniftni. Nailed it.